Welcome to the channel Tech Unbox Pro. Today, we have something truly exciting, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Max 5G. This phone is creating waves in the smartphone world, and we are going to dive deep into everything: design, display, camera, performance, battery, and more. If you're looking for a high-performance 5G phone in 2025, you definitely don't want to miss this. Let's start with the design. The Redmi Note 14 Pro Max 5G features a sleek, modern build with premium materials. Its curved edges and slim frame make it extremely comfortable to hold, and the back panel comes in an elegant gradient finish that not only looks luxurious but also feels great in hand. It's clear that Xiaomi focused on both style and ergonomics with this device. Moving on to the display, this phone offers a vibrant AMOLED screen with high refresh rate. Colors are rich and accurate, and everything from scrolling social media to gaming feels extremely smooth. Watching movies or YouTube videos on this display is a truly immersive experience, thanks to its sharp resolution and bright, crisp visuals. Now, let's talk about the camera, one of the biggest highlights. The Redmi Note 14 Pro Max 5G boasts a 200 megapixels main sensor, delivering ultra-clear shots even in low light. The phone's AI enhancements make portrait shots, landscapes, and night photography stand out, giving a professional-level result without needing extra equipment. Selfies and video recording are equally impressive, making this phone a dream for content creators. When it comes to performance, this phone doesn't disappoint. Powered by a high-speed processor and 5G connectivity, it handles multitasking, heavy apps, and gaming effortlessly. Even demanding games run smoothly with no lag or overheating, ensuring a seamless experience for gamers and power users alike. Battery life is another strong point. The massive 5000 mAh battery keeps you going all day, and with 120W fast charging, you can quickly recharge and get back to full power in no time. This combination of long-lasting battery and ultra-fast charging makes it ideal for anyone on the go. In conclusion, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Max 5G is a perfect balance of design, performance, camera, and battery life, all packed in an affordable yet premium device. Whether you're a gamer, photographer, or daily smartphone user, this phone has something for everyone. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to Tech Unbox Pro for daily updates on the latest smartphones and tech gadgets. Stay tuned for more unboxings, reviews, and real-life tests.